Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have OnePlus Ace 3 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. We start off opening Settings application. In it, Mobile Network and their data usage. Now we tap on Data Usage Limit and there we can manage it. Firstly, we can set when our data usage size starts, maybe first day of each month. There we can set daily data usage limit, we must turn on it, and we can set it maybe in gigabytes, megabytes, what you need and want, and there we have some option when we use it. And after that we click done to save it, and there monthly data usage limit, and by the switch we turn on it and we can set it in gigabytes, megabyte to and how many we want. There we have the same function when we use it, and that we can turn on or turn off data warming when we used maybe 2 gigabytes in this case. After we add all, we confirm all by done. And we have it. See you soon, bye!